Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick video to talk to you about something that I have been really impressed with. Now first of all, this is my backyard, nice beautiful green backyard, and it's a beautiful Saturday, well almost evening, and all day I've been sitting here staring at my iPhone. And the reason why I've been doing that is because of a phenomenal training system that you might have seen some emails for a little while ago that I got. And all I can say is wow. The cool thing about it is, first of all, it can go on your iPhone. So for all of you that have an iPhone, it's fantastic. You don't have to sit there, watch it on your computer, your laptop, or your TV. All the videos and everything can be watched right on your iPhone. And I've been able to sit outside in the beautiful backyard. My family's gone today. They're gone back to school shopping, which I can't believe we're almost back to school. And I've been able to just veg out and look at it on here. Now, what I'm talking about is it's called CPA Tsunami. And if you've heard of it, but not really understood it, because you might have ignored it because it said CPA, and you probably just thought, oh, it's another CPA course. All I got to say is I'm actually, I got to admit, I fell for that. When it first came out, I saw an email for it. The first thing I said is, oh, another CPA course. How many of these are going to come out now? Obviously, CPA is a huge thing right now. But what this course actually is, it's from a guy named Mike Hill, who has been consulting with people for years on how to make multi-million-dollar CPA deals. Now, what I mean is put offers on CPA networks. And I have to admit, I was even a little hesitant of watching it because I thought it was going to deal with really the people with huge budgets that are going to be getting into like massive, huge amounts of investment up front and getting products out to market. But I was totally wrong. This actually is, in my opinion, and this is my honest opinion, the absolute best course of its kind that I've ever seen for just marketing in general. It talks to you everything about how to get your product, your competitive analysis done. It brought up things that I didn't even ever think of. It talks about the sales process, the back-end process, your funneling, your communication, how to retain customers, how to deal with refunds, chargebacks. I mean, if you have any desire of creating a product and getting it out to market, I don't care if you want to use ClickBank or the CPA networks or some other process, this course is absolutely phenomenal. I am going to actually be using this because one of the reasons why, when I found out what it actually did, which my friend Buck Risby told me about, he said, no, it has nothing to do really with CPA marketing, as much as it does. Yes, it covers CPA marketing, but it doesn't take it from the affiliate standpoint, it takes it from the merchant standpoint. Now, for those of you that are watching this and say, well, I mean, I'm an affiliate marketer, I really don't want to get into product creation. Well, you might want to reconsider that, because I know for myself, yes, being an affiliate is great, but there's a huge amount of money in also having your own products. And for myself, with my products, whether it be Portal Feed or Traffic Kahuna, that's a huge amount of my income. That combined with affiliate marketing, because you want to be a little bit diversified. Now, I know some people might argue that, saying, oh, you don't want your hand in too many things. Well, at the same time, you want to make sure that you're doing your business right. And if you're in a niche that's doing really well, why be the affiliate? Why not take 100% of the commissions and make a better widget kind of thing? So I just want to let you know, what I'm going to do is, after I do this little introduction, I'm going to show you on my computer a little bit more about this course. But I just want you to know I am extremely pleased with CPA Tsunami, which is what it's called. And if you have any desire of getting into marketing your own product, I 110% urge you to look into this. Now, watch the rest of this video, and at the end of it, I'm going to tell you about a little bonus that I'm going to throw in. And it's a very practical bonus, because this is a little bit of an expensive course to be able to invest in. But I want to make it so that it's completely worthwhile right up front before you even get it, to make sure you see the value of this, because I'm telling you, this is a phenomenal course. Okay, so here we are. This is the CPA Tsunami page, where you'll come to if you click that link below. And what you can see here is, first of all, it's a little different. This is the page you're on now. This is actually not really a sales page. This is more or less give them lots of free stuff page. And it's phenomenal. He goes through a lot of stuff. And you see, you click here, you can see, look, we've got an hour and 14 minutes of Mike sharing stuff. And then we can stop that. You go down here. We've got, again, 34 minutes of absolutely excellent training. Go down here, we got even more. There's just tons of training, 10 minutes of fantastic training that he talks about how to get higher conversion rates. It's just, this is phenomenal information, absolutely free. So if anything, just click on that link, do yourself a favor, click on that link and just get the free stuff. It's fantastic. Now for those of you that have a little bit to invest in, realize, because you got to understand, this is 18 hours of material that you're going to get when you purchase this. And you're looking, it's a fair bit of an investment. Now the cool thing is he does have a payment plan, which I'll get to in a minute. And so the majority of people can't afford this. But I'm serious, if you want to get into marketing your own product, this is the course to have. It is by far the best I've seen, and I've bought a lot of them, not taking anything away from any of the other guys out there, but this is a top-notch course. And the cool thing about it is it also shows you how to use the CPA network. So a lot of these courses just talk about, ClickBank or, different systems like that, or even using your own system. CPA networks are where it's at right now, and people are making 6-7 figure monthly incomes off of having products on CPA networks. And Mike is the guy. They spend $25,000 a day to learn what he has to say. This is just for one-on-one consultation, 25 grand. I'm not talking about going to a conference. I mean someone flying over to sit down with Mike, pay him 25 grand just to have him for a day. That's the kind of quality that this guy has. And launch after launch, product after product, he helps people make millions and millions of dollars. Now, if you come to this page and actually watch this first video, Mike tells you all about that stuff, so it doesn't really matter. Once you get the free stuff, I highly recommend, and you click here and you look at getting it for yourself. And now again, you're going to see a lot of free stuff here. We've got that video again, goes through some things, but then if you scroll down, what you're going to see here is the payment option. So you've got either the $1,900, 3 payments of $750, or 5 payments of the $490. Now, whatever option you do, I do recommend you get this course. It has my highest, ratings. But I'm going to also throw in a couple things. Number one, I'm not going to give you some fake-ass bonuses that don't do anything for you. I want something real, because obviously if you guys are purchasing this, this is something that you want to get serious about your business. And to help you with your business, 2 things you're going to need. You're going to need traffic, and you're going to need word of mouth. And I'm going to give you a 6-month membership, completely complimentary, 100% access to Traffic Kahuna, so you can promote the heck out of this product. And it doesn't even have to start right away. What we're going to do is, once you get the product and all that good stuff, you tell me when you want that 6 months to start, and we'll get it started for you. But also, I'm going to do a full-out review and promotion on johncow.com for whatever product you want. So in combined right there, you're looking at almost $1,000 bonus right there. Well, actually more than $1,000. You're looking at, about $1,000 bonus just for taking advantage of this offer. So that takes a little bit of the load off there, because you're getting some great values and added bonus. Now, I hope you can appreciate that. Go here, put in your information, get it shipped to you. They make it, it arrives within like 2 days, so you'll have it right away. It's fantastic information. I promise you, you're going to love it.